What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. My name is Anthony Pinto da Costa. You are watching
the Canadian Physio student.
Alright guys, so a little bit of a weird morning this morning. I didn't get a chance to go to class today because we just finished midterms yesterday and we went out as a class, had a little bit of fun. Reed actually made it. He can maybe tell you a little bit of what we did today.
Yeah, sure. So today we had a guest speaker from the program Penguins Can Fly, which is a program that has that involves children who are developmentally delayed, whether it be they have cerebral palsy, Duchenne's muscular dystrophy, etc. A bunch of different conditions that we've been learning about in class. And it's a swim team, a competitive swim team. So she talked about the patient's stories, their ability to compete both at the international and the national level, even provincial, and then also talked about how they do both racing as well as then long swims as well.
Unreal. Very articulate. Anyways, right now we're gonna go pick up one of our friends who's in our program, and then we're heading home because it's Thanksgiving weekend. So not much to show you guys in terms of school content today, but when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys what was on our midterms and how much information you can expect to be studying when you're in physio school. So we'll do that, and then I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we got about a 3-hour drive ahead of us. I got the laptop here getting ready to edit the previous video. So by the time that's out, or by the time this one's out, you guys are already gonna see that one. I kind of put it on the back burner a bit because like I said, we had midterms, so school comes first, of course. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit this. We're just getting some gas right now. Reed's out there, not sure if you can see him. And then one thing I forgot to mention, I'm going to the J. Cole concert tonight at the Scotiabank Arena, previously known as the ACC. So I'll get some footage of that tonight too, okay? So I'm gonna edit this, and I'll see you guys when I get home. Hey Reed, thanks for the drive, man. Have a great Thanksgiving. Alright guys, so just got home. I'm not sure if I've mentioned it in previous videos, but I'm from Georgetown, Ontario, which is just a small town kind of on the outskirts of the GTA, about 45 minutes from the downtown core of Toronto. And yeah, it's just nice to be home. Anyways, I'm just here in my basement right now, and I'm just going to quickly show you guys how much material we covered for our midterms, just to give you guys a better understanding of what the workload is like in a physiotherapy program in Canada. Alright guys, so this was the midterm material for our pediatrics class. So as you can see here, there were 9 lectures, and just keep in mind that we learned this all within about 2.5 to 3 weeks because we're in that accelerated 6-week semester currently. So as you can see here, motor development, family-centered care, high-risk infant, posture development, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, that's what DMD stands for, developmental delay, and then we learned about CP, cerebral palsy, and what exactly it is and how it manifests. And then we learned about interventions to treat CP. And then lastly, we talked about pediatric traumatic brain injuries. And now just switching gears here to geriatrics. So here we had about 8 classes worth of lectures, but there were a couple lectures per class. So we started off with demographics, aging, connective tissue and muscle, ageism, hospice palliative care, hospice services in Kingston specifically. Then we looked at falls, postural control, gait and aging, polypharmacy, bone health and aging. We got some osteoporosis clinical skills here, exercise and aging, and then finally community physiotherapy. All right, so as you guys can see, definitely a lot of information and stuff in your brain in a very short amount of time. And that's basically what the workload is like in physiotherapy school. However, you should keep in mind that this is one of our lighter semesters too. So first year I find has a lot more information because you're learning the foundational concepts. And yeah, it can definitely get to you at some point throughout the semester. However, you do kind of got to look at the positives of all of it too. You got to think to yourself that you know what, you got in over 1,000 people who applied, and you're learning how to become a physiotherapist, which is extremely gratifying because that's why you applied to get into school, and that's exactly what you want to be in the future. So you really just got to learn how to enjoy the process.
Just the process.
And then everything else falls in place after that. Anyways, enough of the philosophical talk here. I want to show you guys quickly what just came in the mail that I'm super excited about. So the Kingston home apartment gym definitely has a lot, but it was missing the kettlebells. And now I got 2 of them, so I'm super excited to integrate them into the gym. Yeah, these things are super versatile. There's a lot of exercise variations that you can do using these kettlebells, and it's super functional. So I'll make sure in future videos to show you guys some of the variations and some of the exercises that I can do with these, so that maybe you guys can do it at home too. Anyways, I'm quickly gonna go upstairs because I want to show you guys my 2 pet birds. I personally don't like them, they don't like me, but my parents have them, so they live with us, and I kind of got to deal with it when I'm home. Hey!
How are you?
All right, guys, this is Paco. Oh no, this is Peppy. And then over here, we got Paco. He hates me. He's always trying to bite me. This is my mom.
Hi.
Zia Kathy. And that's Selena. All right, guys, quick introduction here. This is my little sister, Selena.
I'm Selena.
I gotta pay homage to Selena because before I started this whole YouTube channel, I was actually gonna drop like $400 on a camera, but what happened?
I gave him my own camera.
She gave me the camera.
I'm a good sister.
Great sister. Anyways, I'm gonna shower, get ready for this concert, so I'll catch up with you guys when I'm in the car driving there. Let's go! Alright guys, I'm here with a day 1. This is Miles Bennett, worst time to drink your water.
Cold world, baby.
Cold world, yeah. So we're just here on the Gardner in this traffic, as you guys can see, always Toronto traffic. And yeah, we're pumped for the show. Anything to say before I turn off the camera?
Okay, can't wait.
Alright, we'll see you guys downtown. Alright guys, so we're just driving home from the concert. Needless to say, it was unbelievable. Miles, what's your take?
To go.
Jordan?
Unbelievable.
Alright guys, and sorry to be rude, I got one more introduction to do back here. This is Mr. Jordan Beckler.
My boy. Let's go, guys.
Future educator of your kids. Philadelphia Eagles superfan.
Let's go, fly Eagles fly.
Anyways guys, I'm gonna end the video here. So if you like this video, make sure to like, share, of course.
Smash that subscribe.
And if you got any comments or questions, whether they're positive or negative, leave them in the comment section down below. I'm open to all of them.
Say less.
So I'll see you guys next week when I do my next video.
Another day, another dollar to be made. I'm a workaholic, ballin' hard until the grave. Used to wanna be a baller for the NBA, till the fellas around me started dunking in the 7th grade.